Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Bauer, and welcome to 2026 Midwest Gaming Classic Convention. We are celebrating 25 years of this convention. I'm so excited to be here. Previously, I met the designer Eugene Jervis, designer of Defender and Robotron. So we're now on our last day here, and we're hoping you'll have a great time. Check out the vendors, check out the game center, and also the game actors. Like, I don't know what the name of the actor will play as Jax in Mortal Kombat. So that's kind of like much I know besides Eugene Jervis. But the sad part is, I am going to be cosplaying as Alola Marowak for Anime Central in May 15th. And the sad part was, there weren't any plushies of Marowak, only a Cubone. I talked to a guy at the vendor hall, but he didn't have any. He gave me a little paper, but more like a credit card to like give him more information. But eventually, I will have that in my memories for backup plans.
Did you have a good day Friday and Saturday?
Oh yes. Yes, I was able to get a photo with Eugene during the presentation, right on the first floor in the presentation room. But my low was I got disqualified in the Mario Kart World Tournament.
It's day 3 at Midwest Gaming Classics. You're dressed up. What are you dressed up as?
So this is my Jotaro Kujo cosplay from JoJo's Bizarre Adventures. This is part 2.
He's super cool.
Okay.
So
I haven't talked to him in a really
It was
long
pretty
time,
easy.
but
You
he's
just
been-
had to wear the stuff that he wears.
Really, like,
Got
he's been off with all this.
the props and clothes over a couple of days, and I added this necklace. This is the stand arrow, the tip, like from the show. And I was like, man, this would go really well with what I have. And I'm like, it turned out good. Got this too.
Looks legit.
Sword. You got the belts. The belts turn out good. The belts were good.
Yeah.
Belts weren't too pricey.
2 orange belts. Very cool.
But yeah, the hat fits good. The hat's okay. I wish it was more like leathery, I guess. I'll just give you a closer look at that. Yeah, the insignia from the show.
And you got in here and then people wanted to take your picture right away.
Yep.
Is that usually how it goes?
No, usually it's a little bit.
Well, at the
It's
Renaissance
never been this quick.
Renaissance Fair, you were Lord Farquaad and everybody was taking your photo there.
Yeah, Lord Farquaad, I was like, I'm just going to wear this. This will be just the fun, just tromp around. I didn't know there was going to be so many people that wanted to take photos with me, talk to me, just... It's crazy. Yeah, we're doing the Ren Fair again this summer.
Yeah. And then what is this badge?
We're VIPs this year. Very important gamers.
Wow. How was the after party last night?
The after party, oh my goodness. I stayed till the wee hours of the morning. There was a heavy metal band that played. They had DJs, they had drinks, music, pinball machines that were set to free play. It's an amazing time, dude. This is being the 25th anniversary of Midwest Gaming Classic. Really, really special. I've met a lot of cool people. I've met professional cosplayers here. And just, the turnout's been great. All the panels have been great. So, yeah. So this works perfectly for the cosplay that I'm doing. So basically just the character is a big sword. So
Okay.
that'll be for in May.
What do you think about the sword?
It looks great, but I rate it 10 out of 10.
It's a great sword.
It's huge.
Take on a horse.
Where'd you find it?
Over at this booth here, one of these booths down here.
Okay.
Toward the front.
What's in the Target bag?
I bought Halo games. So there's Halo Reach and Halo ODS, Halo 3 ODST in there.
Okay.
These are the last 2 Halo games that I need to play.
Wow. It's kind of cool. What's this?
Those are metal trading cards.
Oh, Venom and
Custom
Goku.
artists.
Look at us.
All right. Like, introduce yourself and tell us who you're cosplaying. Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm cosplaying Jotaro Kujo from JoJo's Bizarre Adventures Part 2 specifically. A little bit about the cosplay. I upgraded to this jacket from a biker jacket that I was handed down to me from a family member. So I got this, and then I added a. If you watch the show, you'll recognize this, but this is the arrow from the show that, like, you know, piercing the guys and they get stand power. So, and then the sword is an add-on as well. Got this at a con last year. And I'm like, I gotta wear this. It's like, what's more badass than Jotaro Kujo with just himself? Jotaro with the sword.
Exactly. And what about this character, inspired you to do this cosplay?
I got into JoJo's Bizarre Adventures back in high school, so a friend recommended it to me back then, and I immediately was addicted to it. And this guy, he's just pure aura. He stands out. He's amazing. He's the main character.
Awesome. If money was no object, do you have another character that would be like your dream cosplay, or is this the guy?
Master Chief.
As someone who's done Master Chief, that is a great answer.
All right. So you said you mostly like were reusing kind of things, or things you had around. What is your favorite part of your cosplay?
My favorite part would probably be the jacket. It's a lot more, it more matches the character as you see him in the manga and the anime, of course. Buttons look good. It's not too expensive. That's what I wanted to go for a budget cosplay. I didn't necessarily want to, commission somebody to do everything custom made because, that adds up fast. So
Absolutely, yes. That's
all the stuff I was able to buy, just, make it work. It's like, oh, I can just dress like this person. It works.
And cosplays like this are really great too, because you can honestly just kind of wear this.
Yes,
doesn't have
that
to be a
too.
convention or anything. It's just kind of
That
like you
too.
can just kind of blend elsewhere, and it still looks cool. It's still trendy or whatever. So that's
Very
great.
streetwear. Very streetwear. Good
Absolutely.
for the fall.
Yes, very cool. Is there a quote or anything that goes with your character?
Yada yada does it. Good
Wow.
grief.
No, that was awesome. I was speechless. All right. Well, thank you so much. Let's get you a great photo with our photographer. Great. Thank you so much. Oh, yes. We almost forgot. If you would like to follow him on Instagram.
Right now it's just my personal account, but you can find me on Instagram at mballer8929. Just to get them all. Oh, big bonus! Look at that.
No, it's our best 5 already.
Okay. I will leave it at that.
That was Pokemon Pinball Pro Edition.
These are some of the Ultra pieces are in here. Illegal. I don't see see a goddamn rolling Marowak. Guess that's it. So.
Okay, I'm sorry, I couldn't turn me off. Because ghosts are running together.
Yeah.
Pac-Man and Goblin Ghost, and so you're talking about Pac-Man. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. So like, if you're like hiding from a wall,
Yeah.
hiding like during in the game Pac-Man, and
Yeah.
the ghost
It's
comes
in the
steal,
wall.
then you're just like yellow, just normal yellow, and then they won't hit you. If you're gonna try to hit a
Never
record.
thought of it that way, but Pac-Man, there's only a perfect score now. And
Next stage.
never played a game all day.